Alright guys, welcome to SAP Circuit Fire Alarm System Test number 2. We didn't add much on this since the last system test, except we rearranged some stuff. I made it so that this right here could toggle the meter. Incorrect labeling right now, but it'll toggle the meter. Fuel station looks a bit different down here. You just push on that. So, you just push that and it clicks the button back there. I don't know, I was just trying to get creative with it. And I used NPNs because they're red. That's literally the only reason I used that. So if you push that middle part right there, it's like a call point. It'll push the button behind it. We have additions to the alarm, as you can see. We have the fire strobe extended. We have the variable resistor controlling this, which will be like the police alarm. Until I get a blue light, I'm using a green LED. And I need one of these. So I'm not sure what my best way of doing that is, because I definitely need some more parts. I'm running low on parts a little bit. I have a lot of parts down there, but I'm running low on like the more common parts. Like 2 wires, I'm completely out of 2 wires, because I'm using like all of them right here, here, and here. But I definitely need a blue light and this. I'd probably get the blue light off of eBay, but this I can probably just get in another kit. Drill button works the same. That's not blinking. Here we go. We have a loose wire right here. Fix that. Okay, I got the wires fixed on that, so now it should flash if I push in this. Alright. Now, let's do this in the dark. As you can see, my exit sign doesn't work. That's a great way to show that. The pull station is glowing. The LED, as I think I went over last time. I don't know what's about it, but I think it's funny that it lights up like that in a fake kind of addressable. This, you can really not see it, but I know it's there. I want to see how bright the light is, so we're going to make it even darker. It is really dark at night. Let's see what happens if I pull a pull station. Okay. Also, this, I'm pretty sure I went over that controls the meter, but let me demonstrate. So you can hear the clicking, that's from the meter. So if I turn that off, completely silent. I don't like how dim this is. I really don't know how to fix that. I'm using 2 battery packs. If anybody knows, let me know how I could fix that being so dim. I don't think there's one that we have a showcase. Maybe just drill. But I'm gonna add some more additions. I want to have another plate, like, inside my closet in here. That'll blink, and then I want to have another pull station, like, over here. I want to expand this a lot so that it looks better. And then, of course, I want to get the blue LED instead with another strobe that I'll write police on. I wrote this with an Expo marker so that I could take it off if I ever decide to. I mean, it is kind of glued on there, because if you know anything about snap circuits, you know that just doesn't stay on there by itself. Alright, let's give it one more call point activation. Let's make this satisfying. Definitely works. For those wondering what I do with this when I'm not here, I take out the key and put it right here, and then I take out this battery and set it there. Now it's inoperable. What I used to do when the panel was super small was I would put the battery in there and just leave the key in there. Now I can't pull it out. Where'd the key go? Let me know down below what I should add to this. So definitely want to take recommendations for this. Let me know.